Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a comparison review on two popular mini style dash cams currently on the market, the Viofo Vs1, the Garmin Mini2 dash cam. Both of these retail for about the same price, both around the $200 mark. They're very popular and we get a lot of videos in using these dash cams. We'll do a quick unboxing, compare the dash cam features and specs, a daytime road test. Okay, onto the Vs1. On the front there's a clear screen covering the 5 megapixel Viofo Vs2 sensor. This side we have the microphone button and the SD card slot. This side the LED and the file lock button. And finally the Type-C power in on the adjustable mount. Dash cam's nice and light and pretty easy to hide behind your rearview mirror. Okay, so what's in the box? We've got some instructions and warranty information, also an electrostatic sticker. Powering cable and adapter. 32GB micro SD card is included. Spare sticky mount. Trim tool and a USB to PC cable for direct connection to a PC. The unit can slide off the mount after installation without having to remove the entire mount from the windscreen. Alright, onto the Garmin Mini2. Slightly smaller than the Vs1. We've got the 2 megapixel Garmin sensor. Onto this side we have the microphone on-off button and SD card slot. This side the file lock button and power LED. This side the power in mini USB style there. Top of the box must just fold upwards. Yeah, there we go. Okay, power cable, PC cable, spare mount and power adapter. What else is in here? Instructions and the user manual seem to be in the front there. Okay, so that's what's included for the both dash cams. And it's a size comparison. We've just got a liquid paper bottle there as a reference. Overall, they're both small enough to fit behind your rearview mirror quite easily. Both these units are the same price. Over the last couple of days doing this review, prices being within a couple of dollars either side of $200 Australian. The sensor is probably the main difference here. Viofo is running the Quad HD 5 megapixel Viofo Vs2, and Garmin's got its own full high definition 2 megapixel clarity optic. GPS, Viofo's got GPS with on-screen data, Garmin has no GPS. Resolution, Viofo's got the Quad HD 2560 by 1440 at 30 frames per second, and Garmin's full high definition 1980 by 1080p at 60 frames per second. Both units support parking mode. This is an optional extra with both units if you want to record while you're away from the car. Micro SD card, 32GB included with the Viofo. It's not included with Garmin Mini2, so that will be an extra additional add-on you have to purchase for that. Wi-Fi, Viofo is 5 GHz and the Garmin Mini2 is 2.4. So Viofo would download files slightly quicker there. Maximum storage size for both units is 512 GB. Field of view, this is the angle that the dash cam sees ahead, and they're both 140 degrees. Both the Vs1 and Mini2 have voice control. And finally HDR, both have high dynamic range. The Viofo has settings you can automatically turn off at particular times of the day. Okay, we'll go and install these cameras side by side so you can see them in the exact same conditions. Alright, if you got any further questions about either of these dash cams, please drop it in the comments. We might look to do something similar to a different price range. Until next time, Aussiecams over and out.